Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the new file not opening problem in Photoshop CC. This usually happens when your scratch disk is full, especially on the C drive. To fix this issue, go to the top menu and click Edit. Select Preferences and then Scratch Disks. Here, you will see that Photoshop is currently using the C drive as its scratch disk. If your C drive has no free space, Photoshop would not be able to create a new file. To fix this, simply uncheck C and check D or another drive where you have more free space available. Try creating a new file. This time, it will open without any problem because the scratch disk has enough space. If not open, just restart Photoshop and try creating a new file again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and fixes.